to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. We're on a mission this morning, guys, and we're heading in. So stay tuned, guys. This is one of our scouting missions that we went on before, and we're now back to fish the area. So stay tuned, guys. We're here outside. So this is some of the trails that we go to for fishing. I believe you guys seen the last video me and Brian did. We did some scouting through here, and Brian is on his way to meet up with me now. So bro, you good? All right. Yeah. There's some big crabs back here, boy. You see the crab holes? Big ass crabs back here. It's a trip through here, guys. I'm already tired. I can't manage that right now. I need to flip hands. Flip side my rods around. And then I can control my rods a little bit better this way, guys. But my bag. That's a lot better. I'm not bouncing my reels every minute. Hey, somebody was setting up a beach back here. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. We're here on the ends now. And we just reached Run Reef out, that's all. And casting out. Big bar right about here. See if we can get his attention. Hey, Jama! What's up, Regin? Wagwan! Yo, let that sit, because that's the reef that you just stood over right there. There's a big reef in front of you that runs like that, long. No, that depth is good. Trust me, there's some. Just on the bottom. Oh, were you? Yeah. It is. When the sun comes up here, you can see the reef and everything. I knew over there was a snapper area. From I seen the boatman over there, I know over there is a snapper area. I was trying to get to that wall the other day, and I only made it to those walls right there and come a little bit past those walls. Yeah, there's some fence. Somebody fenced it. He's not under there. It's high tide in here today, and that's good. Hey, Brian, you drop line in? Huh? Yeah. You brought your cast net with you, right? Alright, just a minute. I'm set up still, you know? I was set up right here. Unless I go around on that top cliff up there to set up on top of the cliff in the shade. You understand? Come on, Andrew. We're gonna move. We're gonna go down further. You have to be right here? Huh? No, man. We're gonna go way around there on a better flat, man. There's a lot more reef and stuff around there for us to fish by. It's more structure. Let's go around there, dogs. I just don't want to. That's why I didn't want to unpack here until they got here. You know what I'm saying? Because I know we're going to end up moving. Alright, let them go ahead. I'll just drop this in here for now until we go around side. Oh, come on, mother. Roll out. Go straight up to the tree and make the left. Don't try to climb over this, because this shit's a hassle. Left. Let's follow this trail, go straight run. Non-stop. Come on, man. Let's watch. Mash it, man. See all them just sitting there, you're supposed to just chop out our way. Whee! Lego that. Can't get that one cast, nice. Hear my whip, son? Yeah. Same way, sir. Bossy. That is it. I popped that one off. Nylon popped. Wow. Pulling out rigs, guys. Trying to get some good rigs out. Alright. Aw, you suck. Yo, Chris. You. Okay, just follow the trail coming, man. Like I go down towards the ship and then you see the trail to the right. Okay. Alright, me dip on this side of the restaurant. At this side we dip on the point. Yeah, upon the tugboat point. No, we down on the point. All the way out I point, I tip. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright. Chris, how flying drone come round here, Brian? Chris, say my flying drone come round here, you out at the restaurant. See Chris there, yo. Brian. Yeah, guys, Chris got the drone. Chris is here doing our drone shots for us. He's way down, about a mile, 2 miles away, guys, I swear. He didn't walk in, he flew in. So, there goes the drone up there, guys. Take a look at that. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. We're gonna get a little side cast out here, see if we can get somebody's attention on this twitch. Something hit after it a while ago. You know that? You didn't just see that? Something hit after it right there just now. Gotta make sure I be careful when I do this cast. Sorry, watch your overhead. You hear? Watch your trees when you cast. I don't see. Ooh, fish on, fish on. Woohoo! Barra. Haha! Look at that! I knew it! Bro, what did I tell you? I just knew there was around here someplace. Got a barra, guys. Woohoo! Barra on the twitch. He hit it damn near as it reaches shore. Look at him, guys. Woohoo! Look at that barra. Just like that, guys. Look how that hook got him. Nice barra, pretty species. Look at them, guys, how pretty he is. Woohoo! Outside, guys. Hit that barra just now, so we're gonna head up the track in the mangrove. Head up the line, try a different spot. We got the barra in the cooler. And me and Andrew's heading up the road. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Got the bullseye spot, guys. Giving it another shot again. Remember last time I was here, I caught that jackfish, right? So, hit these channels up, guys, and see what's up this morning. See if I can grab something this morning on the lure. See if we might get some jackfish attention this morning, guys. Send it back out there again, guys. Run up the line back to me, guys. The longer the run to these, better it is to me. Yeah. And get my drop lines in, guys. Just casted out a few lures to see what I can possibly pick up. I think I'm gonna put my rod stand down here now. I like the way it's all the way up there. And this would actually give it a little brace right here real good. So let me get it down here. It's a matter of moving around. Perfect spot to wedge it. Get my rod bag and stuff moving down here. Lines. I just set these lines in. I worked, this one's getting hit already. I just worked all the way down there. Andrew got something? Fish on? Fish on, Andrew? Andrew got fish on, guys. Fish on. Let's get Andrew on this fish on, guys. Woohoo! Yeah! Andrew got fish on, guys. He got fish on. Andrew got fish on. Bring him in. Woo! You gotta sew us up. Lift him up, lift him up. Woo! Look at the size of this! Holy smoke! Get the pliers quick and get it out of his mouth, quick. Get that rod out of the water. No water, no water. Just put it up on the dry. Go on, just go some man. Andrew, just lift him up. Put him in that pool. Yeah. That is it. Yo, bro, they eat good curry logs. You gotta know how to clean them up, though. Yeah. This is what's up, guys. Look at that. Look at the size of this monster. Yeah. My line's getting hit. My line's getting hit. Which one is that? The yellow one, right?
Yeah, the 4 left.
It's the yellow one. Just unclip. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yellow one went off a while ago, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Ah, that's it. I got a grunt, guys. Look at this. Nice, pretty grunt. Let's get this camera out. So you guys can see. Nice, pretty grunt, guys. Look at that. Woohoo! Come on, outside, guys. Big fish. Oh man. Big fish. Jamaican shore fishing. Good fish. Andrew, good fish. Good fish, Andrew. Good fish. Good fish, guys. Good fish. Woohoo! Good fish. Andrew, good fish. Andrew, good fish. Jamaican shore fishing. Haha. Look at the size of this parrot, guys. Ooh. Yeah. So we are doing Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. That's right. That is it. That. Yeah, man. Good fish, guys. Andrew, nice size, man. Nice size parrot, listen up. Andrew, you put him in the cooler. You put him in the pool, right? You got the fish still, right? Yo, that curry good enough. Whole heap of meat in him, you know. Yeah, you just gotta bring it on Fisherman Beach. I met one of them cleaned up real quick for you. Well, yo, when you curry that, oh God, man. Nice. Yo, that's a big one, dogs. That's a big one. That's like almost the same size one that I caught in Portland. That's a big one, dog. Yo, I seen that rod bend up. I'm like, what the